How would you say in French, it isn't fantastic? Ce n'est pas fantastique. Ce n'est pas fantastique. It isn't very good here. Ce n'est pas très bon ici. Ce n'est pas très bon ici. So in this lesson we've had bon, which means good, c'est, which means it is, fantastique means fantastic, absolument means absolutely, ici means here, très means very, and ce n'est pas means it isn't. Now, I just wanted to mention something about the word bon, meaning good. The word bon ends in the letter N, but you don't pronounce it bon. It's more like bon, bon. The sound on the end is what's known as a nasal sound. And this is a sound where your throat closes at the end and the sound has to come out through your nose, hence nasal sound. To really understand how bon should be pronounced, imagine that there's a silent letter G on the end. Look at the word bong. Say it a few times. Bong, bong. And feel how your throat closes just before you get to the letter G. Bong, bong. Now, say it again, but this time stop just before you say the letter G. Bon, bon. You'll feel how your throat still closes, but you get a nasal sound. Bon, bon. And that's how you pronounce bon. Imagine it's bong, but don't say the G. Bon, bon. That lesson was from my course 3-Minute French. If you enjoyed it and would like to keep learning, you can enroll on the full course at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Merci.